Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Wanda. Hi! For today's video, I'll be using two different types of vinyl. I'll be using 3 of the metallic pearlescent heat transfer vinyl. These come in 14 different colors. These are available in 12 by 5 feet and 12 by 82 feet rolls. They're a soft metallic matte finish. For this project, I will also be using 1 roll of puff heat transfer vinyl in black. Let's start in Design Space by looking for the image. I'll be clicking on View All. Once you're here, you can scroll down or you can type on the search bar the name of the design you're looking for. In my case, I'll just scroll down till I find it. Once you have it, just click on the plus sign and add to canvas. To make your design much bigger, you can go up here to where it says size, put in a size, or you can pull on the design and make it much bigger. In my case, I'll be doing an extra large shirt, so I'll need my design at least 9.5 inches or 10. And now we can click on Make. I won't be saving this as a project. I'll be using a mat, so I'll click on that. I'll be using a 12 by 12 mat. As you can see, we have 4 mats, so we need 4 different color vinyls. And before I continue, I need to make sure my mirror option is turned on for all of my mats. Although Cricut has a new feature that will turn on the mirror option once you click on Everyday Iron On, but since we have 4 mats, it will only turn on one of the mats. So I have to make sure my other mat's mirror option is turned on. And once you do that, just click on Done. And once that's done, you can start cutting your vinyl to size. Always make sure to cut the right amount of vinyl so you don't waste any of it. I just want to mention that the puff heat transfer vinyl comes in 10 by 5 and 10 by 82. I also want to point out that I love these slap bracelets. You can find these on their web page. I'll be cutting the other vinyl. Some of the vinyl I already cut off of camera. So here are the vinyls all cut. To cut the vinyl, I'll be using this Teckwrap Strong Tack mat. And remember to cut your HTV shiny side down. Since this vinyl is a little bit thick, I'll be putting some washi tape on my corners just to make sure it does not lift. And once you do that, you're ready to go cut your vinyl. Here's the machine cutting the vinyl. Once that's done, let's start weeding our project. So I'll be using this pin pen from Teckwrap. This is one of the new ones, and I love using it. All you need to do is just poke on a corner and start pulling your vinyl. This vinyl is so easy to weed. Although I gotta mention that this vinyl is a little bit thicker than normal vinyl. And I only weeded 2 small pieces of the metallic pearlescent heat transfer vinyl, but that also was super easy to weed. I've already used that vinyl before and I really love that vinyl as well. So I'm almost done. I've weeded 2 of the ghosts. I'm down to my last one. I had no issues weeding this vinyl. Alright, it's all weeded. Now for the other small pieces, which these were super easy to weed. Although the camera didn't really capture that moment very well. And now it's time to press the shirt. I'll be pressing the puff vinyl lastly. Although I will set the temperature at 285 Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. This is the temperature that's worked for me before when doing puff vinyl. I am also using a hand iron so I can put more pressure. I'll start off by ironing the shirt a couple of seconds just to remove the moisture from it. I will also be using a lint roller just to make sure I don't have anything on my shirt. To help me place my image on my shirt, I'll be using this ruler. If you don't have one, you can count 3 fingers down and place your image. I'll be measuring my sides just to make sure this is centered. And once I'm sure, I'll be placing these little flowers inside of the other vinyl. This will help put them where they should go, since I'll be ironing the ghost last. This gives me an idea where the flowers need to be placed and where they should go. And once I'm sure, then I can remove the ghost very carefully and head over to the heat press. I promise you this is much easier than it looks. And we're ready to start pressing. I'll be placing some parchment paper over this just to protect it. And once this beeps, remove it. And I'll be peeling this in warm, although you can wait till it's cool. I removed it in warm and I had no issues whatsoever. But always be careful because it's warm. And now we're ready to press our ghost. Remember, this is the puff vinyl. I'll be pressing half of the shirt first, and then I'll do the other half. If you're using a hand heat press like I am, make sure to press very hard on it. This is the only way you'll get that puff vinyl to puff. And as you can see, I'm doing the other side now. And I'm putting all the weight of my body to it just to make sure this puffs. And you can remove the film and warm. This is how this turned out. It looks beautiful. If you can see, there's a puff right there. If you watched to the end and you like the video, don't forget to give us a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.